Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this Hello Kitty nightlight. I really love it, guys. It has 7 different settings that you can choose from, different colors. Also, it has a setting where it just changes colors automatically. It also comes with a remote control, so you can just control it using the remote control, or you can also just change the colors using this button here. So it would just change colors like this. It is super pretty. I'm just showing you the different colors that it has. And then at the end, it has like one where it changes colors like that. It is super pretty. So now I'm going to show you how to use the remote control, guys. There's so many cool things that you can do with it. First, I'm going to show you how to use the flash. So whenever you press flash here, it will start flashing like this. And whenever you want to make it stop, you'll just press the button like this. You can also switch the speed, guys. So you see how the colors are changing. You can change the speed. So you'll just press the speed here. You can make it faster. You can make it slower. Like right now, it is super fast. You can make it go a little bit slower like this, changing the speed. You can also make it go a little bit dimmer or brighter. So I'm going to dim it like this, or I'm going to make it a little bit brighter like so. You can also change the colors by pressing these buttons here. So you'll just press the buttons like this. So it's pretty cool. And then you can change the different settings, guys. So you'll just press like the first button. So it goes like that. Second button changes like that. Third button. And then fourth button. So it is pretty cool, guys. I really like it. Obviously, you can also do it manually like this if you want to change the colors or the settings. Another cool feature, guys, is that it is absolutely portable. So if you don't want to plug it in, like I have it plugged into my outlet right now, you can always put in AA batteries. So it requires 3 AA batteries to work, and then you can take it wherever you want. But yeah, guys, overall, it is a beautiful Hello Kitty nightlight, and I would definitely recommend it.